My name is Aren Schiek. I am a senior at New Berlin Eisenhower, and I study robotics and automation. I took the How Machines Work class. It's a class where you just learn all about manufacturing.
When we looked at our industry partners around our school district, we noticed that we have a lot of manufacturing careers around us. We had the partnerships come in and tell us what they would like our students to learn, and FANUC robotics was one of the items that they wanted our students to learn.
My first introduction to robots here was when we got the FANUC robot at the end of the class. All I was doing then was just drawing circles with it, like just the very basic stuff, learning how to teach points and stuff like that.
We want to get kids hands-on as fast as we can. Until you actually get to try it for yourself and see something that you might be doing for a career, it doesn't really impact the students.
I think the Teach Pendant is relatively intuitive to work with. Once I got used to it and figured out they're not that hard to work on, it really just got all the more interesting.
As an instructor, I appreciate the FANUC robot because it is an industry machine. It is something that they will see in industry. Students that we bring on field trips, they see the FANUC robots. You can teach about safety, and it has all of the different safety sensors on it. It has emergency switches and emergency buttons, and we can really talk about all aspects of manufacturing with just one machine in the room.
Now that I lead my high school robotics team, I've started doing a lot of training with them, and I've just kind of gotten into the position where people just ask me questions.
A lot of these students that we're working with, they'd like to go on and continue, and they're going to the local universities or even further universities to learn mechanical engineering, robotics engineering, and just get more education.
I work at Viking Mazek's Robotics and Automation. I am a production intern, so I work out in the shop in the back building the systems that we make.
We were facing challenges finding people with the right skills and enthusiasm that fits for a business like this. And our HR director said, hey, what about this candidate? And at first I was like, he's a high school student. And Aren's resume and background, his extracurricular activities with the robotics team, I was impressed. And it seemed like a great fit. It was an opportunity for us to find somebody who was excited and different from who we might have normally hired.
A normal day at work either has me doing electrical wiring or mechanical assembly of the systems that we are building. We build a lot of case packers, palletizers, systems along that lines, but then we also venture out into different systems, like we're building a punch table right now that punches sheet metal for gutters.
I think that when you've got somebody who's already working with robots and robotics, that's a good starting point. By having these programs, it provides us with a pipeline of students who are already kind of mentally prepared for what it takes to do these jobs.
I learned a lot about manufacturing in these classes and how things are made, and that really helped to understand how we are building the systems that we are building.
I would definitely have another Aren come in and work with us. I think it's been a great experience.
In 5 years, I would like to be probably a robotics engineer, taking the degree that I'm earning at the technical college and my future mechanical engineering degree to mash them together to do mechanical design of robots and things like that.
When I teach a student a FANUC robot, they are going to be able to go to a lot of different careers and explore different aspects instead of just narrowing them down to one type of career.